Good morning everyone. I am going to dealing with the spectroscopy. In this semester 2 units are there. The first unit is general features of absorption and electronic spectroscopy. And the second unit is IR and NMR spectroscopy. Then what is spectroscopy? Spectroscopy means it is a technique used to study the interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter. Matter contains atoms, elements, ions, anything. Okay. The use of spectroscopy is to identification of a compound. In nowadays, by using spectroscopy to identification of a compound. In olden days, classical method can be used for chemical analysis. In this used. In this method, qualitative elemental test may be done. First of all, first what element may be present in this compound. Compound ni identify chestam ee technique dwara, ee method dwara. In first qualitative elemental test ante compound lo what element, for suppose carbon, nitrogen, any element, what element may be exist in this compound can be identified by qualitative elemental test. Then from this we can determine the quantitative elemental test. Next, the percent of element and how much quantity may be exist. The element, how much quantity may be exist can be done by this quantitative elemental test. Then we can determine the empirical formula. From this we can determine the molecular mass. From this we can cross determine the molecular formula of the compound. That's why we can determine the compound. So identification of a compound by classical method in olden days. Nowadays, by using spectroscopy. Spectroscopy, we can identify the compound. Identify the compound by using electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation use chesi we can identify the compound by spectroscopic method. What are the advantages of this method and disadvantages of this method? In classical method, there is a time taking process. A lot of chemical reactions may be done by this method. So it is a time taking process. More time will be required. Spectroscopy, less time will be required. In this method, so less time will be required. In this method, what can we do? By simply passing electromagnetic radiation to the matter. Matter lo మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే electromagnetic radiation pass చేసి by using mass spectroscopy we can determine the molecular formula by using spectroscopy. So it is a less time required. Then in classical method, sample cannot be recovered after analysis. So, lot of chemical reactions may be done by in this test. Sample, మనం చాలా chemical reactions చేసినప్పుడు మనకి ఈ sample అనేది లాస్ట్ లో మనకి ఏంటంటే can be recovered అవుతుందా? లేదు కదా, not there. So, sample cannot be recovered after analysis. But in spectroscopy, sample can be recovered after analysis. Analysis చేసిన తర్వాత sample can be recovered. So, it is not a safe method. In classical method is not a safe method. Why? Because a lot of chemical reactions may be done. Well, suppose nausea, something, vomiting, some మనకి ఏంటంటే ఇలాగా వస్తాయి కదా కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్స్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి కొంచెం ఈ కండిషన్స్ అనేవి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయి. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ సేఫ్ మెథడ్. బట్ స్పెక్ట్రోస్కోపీ ఈజ్ ఏ సేఫ్ మెథడ్. మనకి ఈ స్పెక్ట్రోస్కోపీ టెక్నిక్ అంటే ఏంటమ్మా, మనం సింపుల్గా ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ రేడియేషన్ని మన శాంపుల్లో పాస్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఏ కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్స్ ఇందులో మనం నాట్ కెన్ బి డన్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ సేఫ్ మెథడ్. దెన్ there is a wastage of chemicals. In this method, there is a wastage of chemicals. Chemicals may be wasting. So, and highly expensive. In this method is a highly highly expensive. Lot of money will be required by the purchase of chemicals. But in this method, there is less expensive. It is a less expensive and not wastage of chemicals. In this method, no chemicals can be used by spectroscopy. So it is a less expensive method. So advantages of spectroscopy is less time will be required, less expensive, and sample can be recovered after analysis, and by using solvent in this method that can also be recovered after analysis.